Poy, back in the finals, ano yung pakiramdam, especially yung last time naglaro ka, nag-champion kayo?
Excited, and then syempre, sabi ko nga kanina, I'm even more hungrier kasi I'm out for like a year and a half. And then yung mga pinagdaanan ko, I just stayed loyal dun sa work. I just stayed consistent. And then to the point na talagang, yun na, sobrang blessed na nabigyan ulit ako ng chance ni Lord na makapaglaro. And then healthy, di ba? All the way sa itong conference na to. And then excited din na Ginebra ulit yung mga kalaban. Especially Ginebra, alam niyo naman na yung mga tao always shooting for them, di ba? So yeah, excited to see the crowd.
Poy, yung siyempre maraming fans ng Ginebra na alam naman natin, paborito ka, quote unquote. So paano yung approach mo doon?
Imaginary earplug, sabi nga ng wife ko, imaginary earplug. So I need to be more focused on my teammates, on myself, yun ang pinaka-importante. And then I'm more mentally ready now coming onto this series. I always mind myself and my teammates only. Then make sure na talagang every time na mangyayari, always look at my teammates and look at myself and take a deep breath and knowing na how important I am in this series. So yun yung bumate talaga po.
Poy, dati may Spanhadinger pa Ginebra eh. Malaki bang bagay yun na wala siya? Parang hindi gano'n kalalim yung bigs ng Ginebra?
Hindi pa rin kasi kahit nang sabihin mo, sa finals pa rin sila eh. So they're still a strong team. They're more capable talaga kahit wala si Christian, di ba? Siyempre hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na mahina sila eh. You have Coach Tim, you have Jacket, you have especially Brownlee and Scotty, di ba? So ang laki, Mav, di ba? So ang laking talagang medyo malaki yung gap na nawala pero ang laki nung bumalik sa kanila eh, di ba? You have Mav, you have Hadridge, di ba? So parang for me, ready lang kami defensively yung scheme namin. So thank you.
Poy, thank you.